made it here. I'll catch you when I get home. See ya. Boom!
And what is up? We are back, everybody. I got the rest of the Silverado pieces right sitting down in there, so I'm going to take care of that today because I'm tired of it just sitting in the truck here. And I thought I was going to be able to sell something today as well. I was going to bring you guys along, but I think that's going to be tomorrow, so definitely checking for that. And I'm going to the dealer now because we're going to be talking about the remodel of the Silverado. And yes, it's finally time to talk about what I want to do with this. I briefly talked about it before. This is going to be the sign the papers to get that started now. Alright, I'm on the other side of the truck now, just grabbing all this garbage. A lot of it fell out of the bag. But I'm going to keep this. But look at this giveaway. Alright, we just got rid of all the remains of the truck. All the evidence is lost. But yeah, it's all thrown away now, so got that taken care of. Now we're gonna head to the dealer so I can finalize the procedure here of what's gonna happen to the truck, and it could A, either look completely different, but B, it's also going to look a lot better than it's ever have. Dang, I forgot my energy drink. Check it out right here, Man I'm Car King. Still closed. Had a full lot of lifted trucks. All lined up right around here. It's closed now. I guess Salvo took the business, and you know we got 4-wheel drive pro trucks coming up everywhere. So it looks like it's taking all the business. They're selling it somewhere. Alright, we just arrived here. We just arrived here at the dealer, so I'm gonna talk to him and see if we can figure out what we can do with this